Hello students, in our today's e-lecture we are going to discuss the questions of BT of chapter 6 algebraic expression. The first question which I have written here, ABCD is a rectangle with the length p square q minus 5 square units and the breadth q square plus 4p units. You have to find the area of triangle, this triangle PAB. Now we have given the length and the breadth of the rectangle, so we can find out the area of the rectangle. As we all know, area of rectangle is length into breadth. Now length is given to us p square q minus 5 and breadth is given to us q square plus 4p. This is the multiplication of binomial with binomial. Pick out the first term of the first binomial, get it multiplied with the second binomial. Pick out the second term of the binomial and get it multiplied with the second binomial. Now this is the case of multiplication of monomial with binomial. P square q multiplied by q square, p square q into 4p minus 5 into q square minus 5 into 4p. Now p square q raised to power 1 into q raised to power 2, that is q raised to power 3, 4 p cube q minus 5 q square minus 20p. This is in square units because area of the rectangle is in square units. Now listen carefully, when you have a triangle inscribed in a rectangle in such a way, completely taken as one side as the base. This triangle PAB has side AB of the triangle as a base. Therefore, the area of this triangle PAB is equal to half of area of rectangle ABCD. Completely inscribed on this side AB, this triangle. And the other vertex touches the second side of this rectangle. Now area of rectangle ABCD we have already taken out, so half of p square q cube plus 4 p cube q minus 5 q square minus 20 p square units is the area of this triangle PAB. Now the next question, by how much does the expression 72z square minus 45z plus 4 exceed the expression 30z minus 42z square minus 17? See, by these expressions we are not familiar, so we are going to put the numbers, simple numbers to just check what we have to do in this question. If I ask you by how much does the 7 exceed the 3? Your answer is simply 4. By how much 16 exceed the 10? You will simply say 6. What are you doing? You are subtracting 10 from 16. You are subtracting 4 from 7. So in this question we have to subtract this 30z minus 42z square minus 17 from this. Now I have already arranged the algebraic expressions in according to their like terms, because we know the like term should be placed in column. So the 72z square, so there should be minus 42z square should be here. Now if we are going to subtract, do you remember the column method? We have to change the sign of the terms which are going to subtract. Now 72 and this 42 is of now positive, plus 42, it is 114z square, minus 45 minus 30 minus 75z, and plus 4 plus 17, that is 21. So this is your answer. Now the next question is, the perimeter of a triangle is given to us x square y plus 10 units. One of its side is of length this and another side of the triangle 3 minus 2x square y. We have to find the length of the third side. As we all know, the perimeter of the triangle is the sum of its three sides. First side, second side and the third side, which we have to find out, that is equal to the perimeter of triangle. And the perimeter of the triangle is given to us. First side is given to us, second side is given to us. So we are going to add them. X square y minus 2x square y minus 1x square y Minus 4 plus 3, minus 1 plus third side. Now we need to find the third side. So these algebraic terms have to be shifted on the RHS. Minus 1x square y, when we'll go to LHS to RHS, it will become plus x square y. Minus 1 will become plus 1. Now x square y plus x square y, 2x square y, and 10 plus 1, 11 units is the length of the third side of triangle. Now the next question is, if area of a rectangle with length a minus b and breadth 2a plus b, the length of rectangle and breadth of rectangle is given to us, that area is the same is of the algebraic expression KAB plus 2a square minus b square. We have to find the value of this k constant. What is given to us? Area of rectangle is equal to this. As we all know that area of rectangle is length into breadth, and length and breadth both are given to us. Length is a minus b and breadth is 2a plus b. That is equal to this. Now I am going to multiply, that is a into 2a plus b minus b into 2a plus b. To KAB plus 2a square minus b square. Now it is equal to 2a square plus ab minus 2ab minus b square. KAB plus 2a square minus b square. We have to find the value of this k. So all the terms should be shifted there except k. KAB is equal to 2a square plus, these are like terms, 1ab minus 2ab. So minus 2 plus 1, that will equal to minus 1ab minus b square. When these two terms will shift it to LHS, their sign will change. It will become minus 2a square plus b square. See, 2a square minus 2a square, the terms get cancelled off. B square minus plus b square, the terms get cancelled off. Now what we have in LHS? Minus 1ab, and we have in RHS KAB. We have to find the value of k. So this AB, these two terms which are in multiplication with k, will go for division in RHS. So AB get cancelled off, and what we are left with, k is equal to minus 1. So home assignment for today, my dear students. Do question number 1 to 3 BT chapter 6.